So guys, today's video is going to be amazing and super duper dangerous because in today's video we are going to test those two cars of ours. So on one side we have the Fortuner and on the other side we have the Mahindra Bolero Camper against this whole marshland. So guys, you can see here that this land is very slippery. This is a complete marsh. Look at that. You can see the car is already slipping, but our idea is to take the car right into the swamp. Guys, take a look at this. Dinesh, come here. Come quick. Show our audience how dangerous this swamp is. Look at this, guys. Look here. This is not some average pool of water, but a dangerous swamp. Walk into it. Go further. Look at this, guys. Look. Such a dangerous swamp. Show them a close-up, cameraman. Show it from here, quickly. Be careful, or you'll slip. You can see that this is a dangerous swamp. Okay, go in further, a little further. Look at this, guys. Keep going ahead. As we keep going further, the depth of the water will keep on increasing and increasing. Look at that, how deep the water is. Okay, you must have seen loads of videos like this, but they never drive in a swampy land like this, remember. Those are shot in water bodies which don't have such a slippery bottom, but in today's video, we are going to test this car. Yes, guys, this very car against the mud and see whether it will be able to drive through the swamp or not. But guys, I feel it in my heart that it may not be able to achieve this. Guys, look at that. The car has already gotten stuck there, but our car is a 4x4. That means all 4 tires rotate. So maybe a slight percent, maybe 5% chances there that we may pass in this. And in case we fail, for backup, we have the Mahindra Bolero Camper, which we will be using to pull out the Fortuner. So come and stay with us through the video. Watch from start to the end. Please like this video. Let's keep the like aim for this video at 1 million likes. And also subscribe to the channel because a car worth 50 lakh is at stake. I'm telling you guys, it's only for you. So come on, let's begin immediately. So guys, this is my car and I'm not going to drive it in on my own because it will really pain my heart. That's why Mote, you drive the car, I can't drive it, brother. Take it out and bring it around from there and then we will drive our beloved Fortuner into the swamp. For backup, we have the camper because it's possible that the car may get stuck, so we have the camper. Mote, quickly! Look, all 4 tires are spinning and that's how we have managed to get the car out. Take it around. Take it from that side and bring it back. So guys, as you saw, the water out there is quite deep. I'm just afraid of that bit. Mote, you must make it through! Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Come on, drive. Drive, don't stop. Keep driving. Fast. Oh, bro. Oh, man. Woo. Reverse. Take it back. Oh, man. All 4 tires are free! It turned out exactly how I had imagined. The car... Hang on! The car has gone in and gotten stuck in the swamp. Guys, as you can see, that all 4 tires of the car are free. Look, this one is free. Hang on, man! This one is completely free. And the car has completely sunk in from the front. Look at this. Look from here, guys. Yes, it's completely sunk in. You took it the wrong way. It's very deep here. Oh, no, man. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Come on, drive. Drive, don't stop. Keep driving. Fast. Fast! Oh, bro! Oh, man! Take it back, 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 back. Oh man! All 4 tires
Man,
are
this is
free.
completely stuck now.
Guys, they are putting in the entire force of the car, but it's neither able to move ahead nor is it able to move back. They are using the maximum force of the car. Look. Look at this. Look at this. But it's neither able to move ahead nor is it able to move back. I think the engine is touching the water, that's why. Drive! Come on! Drive! Drive! Back, back! Yes, keep on reversing! Reverse and try to get out! Oh my god! Whoa! Yes, yes, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going! Yeah! Keep going, keep going, keep going! One more time! Yeah! Straight, keep the tires straight! Keep the tires straight, keep them straight, keep them straight! Yeah, keep driving, keep driving, keep driving! Oh, keep driving! Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Keep driving! Woo! Reverse and then drive ahead. Guys, you can see that we have crossed half the swamp. Go on, reverse.
Not going to happen. Kill. It won't come out now. It's stuck now, brother.
Oh no, brother, you turned the tires, otherwise it could have gotten out.
Is it straight? Is it straight?
Yes, it's straight right now, but earlier, turn the tires, turn the tires. Turn it towards me. Yes, towards me. More. Turn it towards me. More. Yes, take it forward. Oh, hey! Oh, man, stop! So, guys, you can see that the car is now really and truly stuck. Look at the condition of the car, guys. It's completely covered in mud. My poor dear Fortuner. Oh! I've never seen it in such a bad condition. Straighten the tires? Yes, straighten them. Straighten them more, more. Straighten them more. Completely straight. Turn it towards me, towards me. Is it in low or what?
Normal. I mean 4x4.
In 4x4?
Yeah.
Guys, you can see it's so marshy that the car got out of there, but it's stuck here now. Look at this, guys. Here, the silencer of the car is more or less under the water. Man, it's completely stuck here. It will get out, it will get out. No, it will get out. Hey, everyone, come over here. Let's all push it a little. Look at this, man. Take a look. If there's so much water like this, then even a Fortuner won't be able to come out of this swamp. So let's do one thing. Let's take it out again with the help of the camper. Bring in the camper.
I'm bringing it up there.
Pull it. Something broke.
The rope.
So guys, we have all managed to bring the car up till here somehow, but now the car is completely stuck here. You can see that the car is completely... Look at this, the tire is free. Look, the tire is completely free. The entire body of the car has sunk into the mud. Look at this. When we put our foot in, we can feel it. The engine and everything is under the mud now.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
And now taking it out is proving to be a very difficult task. Come on, let's try it once. Start driving. Don't stop. Keep going, keep going. Yes, yes, just like that. Come on, don't stop. Keep moving forward. What happened? Faster, faster. Try reversing and then do it again.
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
That's stuck too. Guys, this car at least managed to come up till here, but that one, we'll have to push it out.
To succeed in this endeavor, we'll have to step forward. Bro, be careful, bro.
Guys, look at this. The car managed to drive through such deep water, but then went and got stuck down there. So guys, we managed to get both the cars stuck. This is the limit,
Come on,
man.
Bushman.
Now look at this. Look at the power of a Fortuner. At least it managed to go from here till there. This one has gotten stuck here. Get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer every night.
Meanwhile,
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knockin'. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame.
So guys, it's already evening and both the cars are stuck, so we have called a tractor. If the tractor is also not able to help us, then we might have to call a JCB. It's going to be night soon. We have to get it out somehow. That is a 50 lakh piece that's currently stuck. My heart is really in pain right now. But what to do? It's our job to make such videos. Tractor. Guys, I think the tractor might also get stuck. The tractor itself is starting to sink. Think about how much power that car has. Guys, the rope snapped but the car didn't budge. Hey, let's try to move it from the front. Guys, the car is not moving back at all. Let's try to move it from the front. That might work. Made a huge mistake. This has become a massive experiment. We shouldn't have done this. Yeah. Whoa! Guys, at least one car is out. Now we just need to work on the other one. Now let's take the other one out. Okay. The car is actually on. Guys, the main engine that is there, the actual body. And you know that thing that we call the transmission or something, whatever. That is completely submerged in the mud and all the 4 tires are free. Taking it out is really a huge task. And we are not turning the car off at all because the moment we turn it off, water will enter the silencer and it will cause a lot of damage. I know some damage has already taken place in it, but we will only get to know how much once we take it out. And guys, now the JCB has also arrived. You can see that we have called the JCB too, because it's possible that we might also need the JCB here. Guys, let's try to take out the Fortuner with the help of the tractor. Let's see if it works. If not, then we have the JCB. So guys, let's try to take it out with the help of the tractor because this is heavier. So we don't know if it will come out or not. I have no idea. Hey, stay away from the rope. It might snap and hurt you. Whoa! The rope snapped. The rope snapped again. Imagine how heavy it is. Guys, the rope had snapped. We have attached it again. Let's see if our efforts are successful. See, the rear tires are completely free.
Pull.
Pull and move away. The rope may snap and hit you.
Hey, move aside.
Guys, you can see that the tractor is also having to pull really hard to get it. Oh man, it's gone. Guys, you can see that the tractor is also having to pull really hard to get it. Oh man, it's gone. Oh man. It's good that the rope snapped and fell in there and not on the glass. The glass would have broken. Bring in the JCB! Guys, the tractor is not capable of pulling out this beast. It's too heavy. It's not budging.
Guide here.
Guide here.
Guide. Yes, let's go. Come on.
Come on, move away.
Whoa!
Little more.
Hang on! Guys, it's coming! Move ahead, take it forward! Move the JCB, take it forward! Yay! Whoa! Oh, look at the condition of the car! Now let's see what the damage is. The bumper is gone.
The bumper's gone.
Yeah. Guys, look at it from the bottom, man. Oh. Finally, guys, the car is out now. Now, should I tell you the truth? It would have not gotten stuck. It went in once, got out, then again went in, almost came out. Do you know why it got stuck? Only because of one thing. Just because of the thumbnail. I'm telling you the truth, guys, otherwise this beast would have never gotten stuck. It managed to come all the way here, so there shouldn't have been a problem, but it got stuck only because of the thumbnail, because we stopped the car midway and we thought that the thumbnail right in the middle would look good. So let's stop the car and capture the thumbnail. And it kept sinking down and down and down, otherwise this beast wouldn't have gotten stuck at all. Hey, turn it around once and drive it right through. Yes, man, otherwise there'll be a regret in the heart. Hey, drive it right through here after turning it around. Woo! Yeah! Keep going.
Hey, careful.
Drive ahead,
Yeah, take
fast.
it forward. Take it forward fast.
Come on. Keep going.
Yes,
We will
come
make
on,
it
go
out.
ahead.
Reverse slightly and then speed ahead.
Wait.
Reverse and then go ahead. Keep going. Push it. Come on. Keep driving. Drive it ahead. Little bit more. Drive. Bro, reverse slightly and then speed ahead. Guys, it's finally made it out. Drive it ahead. Ahead.
Turn the steering.
Yeah. Woo! I call this the power of the beast. If it keeps running, then no one has the power to stop it. So guys, mission accomplished. We would have taken it out from the middle as well. It wouldn't have gotten stuck, but we had to stop it right there for the thumbnail, and that's why it got stuck. You saw that if we don't stop the car, it is able to drive right through. So guys, I know we incurred a big loss and all of that, but I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video with a brand new topic. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.